you for supporting my videos, and I really appreciate it. Today, I'll be introducing my new business, Team Genius Squad, or I am the GeniusEO of Team Genius Squad. I design high-quality clothing with encouraging words for everyone. Do you like the first shirt I sold, or do you like the one that I have on? Don't forget to link down below to visit my website. We are open for business, and this is how I make my allowance. Freeze! Now I will show you how I brand and finalize my designs. Let's do it! Now I better get back to work. First, I will cut out my design. Let me send this to the cutter. Cutting this design will take about 45 seconds. Okay, time to take it out. And time to take it off of this platform. Feel really good, and this is like, alright, put here, time to peel. Now I need to peel away the extra material. This is the best part, guys. Yes, 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 I'm a genius. Done. Wow. Here is my design. Now I will place it and my assistant will press it. Right here, no. Right here. Perfect. Wow, perfect. Good. Okay, the press is now completed. Isn't it beautiful? Wow, look at my design. I have just finished ironing my shirt to make my design. Now let's peel it. Whoa, look at that. So pretty. Whoa, this is so fun. I could do this all day. And we're done. Wow, look at this nice design. We are all done.